Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm just going to do a simple cold start on the Shorty Dually 7.3. Two brand new Ford Motorcraft batteries. My Napa ones just kicked the bucket, so let's get this truck started. It's been sitting for a little bit now, so let's get after it. We just got this massive snowstorm, definitely over 2 feet of snow here in New Jersey. Just to give you an idea of how much it snowed and how crazy this was. There's snow in the exhaust, which is kind of crazy. Look how much snow is even on top of that exhaust. How did it even get there? I don't really know, but we're gonna go ahead and just start this. It's been sitting for probably almost a week at this point, and those old batteries just let me down. So I haven't really been a big fan of the Napa batteries. So I want to try something new. Everyone's saying Motorcraft batteries are really good, so I figured I'd pick a set up. All right, I got the brand new batteries in. 36-month warranty. Hopefully I don't have to bring them back. But I've heard really good things about Motorcraft batteries, so I guess we'll see how they work, but I do have confidence in it. Let's go warm these glow plugs up, get this thing cranked. While I warm these glow plugs up here, let me show you some pictures of what the truck looked like this morning when it was covered in snow. It was crazy. I swear it looked like a Tesla Cybertruck. It was pretty nuts with that straight body line that they have. It had that kind of tilted down angle on the front. It's kind of funny when I took that, but all right, here we go. I'm getting tired of looking at this old cluster right here. I'm building that new one on my desk, and that's gonna probably be next. But yeah, and then I can finish this interior. Shut up. But yeah, I mean, interior is basically done. I mean, let's see here. This panel, I got a flush mount for my DP tuner, which is actually here, and then I mean, just a couple panels and stuff, so almost there. This thing's always a freaking work in progress, but I don't know, just thought I'd show you some random stuff in it and sort of deal. But starts, I ain't taking it out in the salt though. Just one short thing. I just did all that freaking work. I am not taking this thing out. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up the video. It's just a random kind of video. I just want to do a cold start and just put together something, I don't know. But like I said, that cluster, I wanted to show you that. That's definitely, I've been working on that. Update that on my Instagram. I'll put my Instagram bottom left screen. And then I'm going to button up this interior. And then my plan is, like, once I get all that done, I want to do like a full overview of the truck and just show, like, I want to show everything that I've done, because there's a lot done to this that I would like to make just one whole video and show everyone. But other than that, I want to keep you updated. Got the truck finally started. It was sitting there for like a week. I did that jump starter video, and even my regular batteries were just giving me a hard time to start that truck. So brand new ones, and she's good to go. So hope you guys enjoy. If you did, definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video.